capture the moment. This morning I don't know. 'Cause the bottle of vodka still lodge in my head, and some blonde give me nightmare. Think that she's still in my bed. As I dream about movies, they want me, call me when I'm dead. With an iron-clad fist, I wake up and friend kiss the morning. While some sing Ben keeping on beating my head while we're talking about all of the things that I long to believe about love, the truth, what you mean to me, and the truth is, baby, you all that I need. I wanna lay you down on a bed of roses. For the night I sleep on a bed of nails. Oh, I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost is, and lay you down on a bed of roses. Well, I'm so far away, so that I take it on my way home. King Ransom and Demons, giving his sight to see through this faithful. Still I run over time, or it's hard to get through till I burn on the wire. Pass me back to you, I just close my eyes. Whisper, baby, blind love is true. I wanna lay you down on a bed of roses. For the night I sleep on a bed of nails. Oh, I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost is, lay you down on a bed of roses. Well, this hotel bar hangover whiskey gonna dry the barkeepers we crooked, and she giving me the eyes, but I might have say yeah. But I like so hard I think I die. Oh yeah. Now as you close your eyes, now I'll be thinking about you. While my mistress is calling me to stand in the spotlight again. Tonight I won't be alone. You know that don't mean I'm not lonely. I've got nothing to prove, for it's you that I die to defend.